Hi, I'm Cindy Law, and 3 years ago I had LASIK eye surgery performed, and today I would like to share with you my experience and provide you with information that I feel is not readily available to the general public. According to the FDA, 600,000 people annually in the United States have LASIK eye surgery performed. It's not difficult to understand why people have the surgery performed. After all, people don't want to be inconvenienced by contact lenses, they're tired of wearing their glasses, and if you watch any TV makeover show, the first thing that occurs is someone's glasses are removed and they're instantly beautiful. I want you to consider 4 things before you decide to have LASIK eye surgery performed. Number 1, success. Measure your own success, not your practitioner's. Number 2, think about your options. What happens if your surgery is less than successful? What are your options? 3, think about how the surgery is performed and if it is acceptable to you and if you want to go through having the surgery. And 4th, ask questions. Be annoying until you are comfortable with the answers that you receive. So when you think about the success of a LASIK surgery operation, what does it mean to you? I can tell you that to your practitioner, any improvement in your eyesight is a success to them. When I had my eye measurements performed, I was expected to have 20/60 vision after the surgery. I didn't know what 20/60 meant. My practitioner was vague. She said that I would be able to pass a driver's license eye test. That didn't really mean much to me. So I did my own research and I found that what I saw at 20 feet, someone with 20/20 vision would see at 60 feet. It still didn't really persuade me not to have the surgery. Second, you need to think about what options are available to you if you achieve less than favorable results. Think about the ads for a LASIK eye surgery office. Lifetime touch-ups are available. Think about that. In your practitioner's eyes, it's a cookie cutter operation. If you're a success, it's one and done. If you're not a success, they'll just repeat the surgery. And they don't mind repeating it multiple times. Think about that. You need to think about that. Think about the surgery itself. This is the information that they provide you. They'll numb your eyes with drops. They'll cut a flap. The laser will reshape your eye. Then they'll smooth that flap over. You may have an infection that needs to be treated. And in remote cases, you could be blind. Nobody thinks about being blind after LASIK surgery. 95% of surgeries are successful. What they don't tell you is that although that flap may appear smooth on top, it could not be smooth underneath, and that would mean that you could have distorted vision or your nerves may not heal as well. And they don't talk about the nerves in your eyes. I never thought about that. But as your nerves heal, there's scar tissue that forms. So if you have less than favorable results and you decide to have the surgery repeated, you're going to cut those nerves again and you're going to cause more scar tissue, which could make your vision worse. Or you could be blind. Ask questions. Ask questions until you feel comfortable with having the surgery performed. And if a practitioner is frustrated with your questions and doesn't want to answer them, then the surgery is probably not right for you. And one more thing. So if 95% of surgeries are successful, that leaves 5% that's not successful. If you're part of the 5% that's not successful, does that 95% success rate really matter to you? In my opinion, no. Be your own person. Think of what's right for you. Thank you for your time.